Thursday night, about 10 minutes till 8, and I felt like making cheesecake, so that's what we're gonna do today. So I found this recipe on Pinterest for supposedly the best homemade cheesecake, and the only problem is this recipe requires 3 packages of cream cheese, and I only have 2. So we're gonna go to the store and get some more. We made it. All right, we found our target. Might be a little weird that we brought 2 of one kind and 1 of another, but we have successfully obtained the cream cheese. Mission accomplished. Okay, well, this is the angle with horrible lighting, but we're just gonna deal with it because this is the space where I'm gonna be cooking. So another thing, instead of using graham crackers for the crust, I'm gonna use matzah for the crust because I have leftover matzah that I have not yet used. Okay, so for the crust it says 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. So we're just gonna crush these up a little bit. Nice and crumbly. Let's see if this is 1.5 cups. And I know that this is a liquid cup measure and not like a solid cup measure. I don't really know the difference between the two. But I just wanted to measure this out quickly rather than prolonging it. And I don't have like a measure that's 1.5 cups, and I don't want to use 1 cup and then 1/2 cup and like potentially overflow. I don't know. This is too long-winded. I'm just gonna keep pouring this, okay? I think it needs 1 more sheet. I'm sorry. Did I hurt you? Oh goodness. Okay. Okay. Camera's not focusing. Oh, okay. Okay, that's better. Okay. Yeah, so that is the dangers of having a small tripod right next to where you are vigorously rolling things. Okay, now it calls for 1/3 cup of butter. We haven't even done the crust yet. I'm really bad at time management when it comes to baking. This gets to go in here for like a minute. All right, now that is nice and melty. Okay, so this is like really crumbly and not sticking together. And like, okay, I know graham cracker crust is supposed to be crumbly, but isn't it supposed to stick together? Am I doing this wrong? I don't know. Okay, I will say the butter in there made my hands really soft. Handmaid's Tale had something, right? Shoot! I almost had it, and then this crust is the bane of my existence. Okay, now it's time for the big guns. We have a special guest star joining us. It's Belinda.
Hi, I have of no value in this video except for my cute face. Bye.
They're lying. They helped me film in the store. And 3. I did it. Okay. Next, we need 1 1/2 cups of sugar. So. Alright, we've got. We've got a big mess. I'm just gonna get that out of the way for now. Okay.
That's one. Well, that's a little less than one. And a little less than 1/2. And that pretty much makes up the difference. It'll be good.
Lemon juice. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, a little more than a teaspoon. Goes in tight. Okay, now the part that I'm a little scared for. I gotta separate some eggs. We're gonna give this a try. Oh my God, I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I just need a good egg white to get out into this bowl. Leave the yolk alone. Oh, this is exciting. I feel accomplished. Okay, I think I don't want to tempt fate too much. I think that's as separated as they are gonna get. All right, well, that is 1 of 4. See if I can do this 3 more times. No! No! Okay, well that one broke. I'm just gonna take a little spoon. Get that little bit of yolk out of there. Because that's gonna mess with my whip. There's a little bit in there that I don't think I'm gonna be able to get out, but hopefully it'll still whip up. Okay, number 3. Okay, last one. I think we're good. That's 4. We gotta mix these together. I might have wanted to use the whisk attachment. Now we're cooking. Looking good. Now's the fun part. We gotta whisk these babies up. Yeah, things are great. I'm excited. That was a good noise. Come look at my egg whites. Now I just gotta fold them in there without anything bad happening. Okay, how do we do this? This is pretty well mixed. I think I might want to mix this a little more. I think I did want to use the whisk attachment. Okay, yeah, I wanted to use the whisk attachment, so hold on. Oh, are these gonna like, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. You're on a chair in the way of the drawer that has the whisk attachment. Got it. Okay, that's how we do. That is how we do. Okay, that is a little better mixed. I think I want to fold in the egg whites with a spatula, probably. I want this to be out of the way. Alright, I think that's as much of the mixture as I'm gonna get off of this. Maybe. Okay. Maybe use my finger again. Put that out of the way. I just got cheesecake mix on my shirt. Okay. That just goes in like that. Okay. Oh my god, look at that. Ooh. Oh no. Oh, I think it started to like re-liquefy. part of it. I should have done a bit more whipping before I did this, just because it waited so long. Okay, this is my first time whipping up egg whites. This is my first time making cheesecake in this manner. I have made cheesecake before, but it was a no-bake kind, so I don't think it had eggs in it. I don't really know how to fold in egg whites, like, if I'm being perfectly honest. So this might just like wreck the whole thing. Oof. Okay, my arm is getting stiff. That's pretty well mixed. Hopefully the egg whites aren't like totally collapsed in there. Okay, so I hit my recording limit before I finished folding it in and putting it in here, but look at that. And now it goes in the oven. Ooh, where do we bake it? For how long? 35 minutes. Now we wait. Yum, look at that in there. It's got 12 more minutes to bake, and then I leave it in the oven for an hour with the oven off. So yeah. Yes, I hear you. I hear you. And now I want to do this for an hour. Actually, I don't want the kitchen timer off. There we go. I don't want the kitchen timer for that. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone because that's a little quieter. And it's getting late. Whew, but as far as how the cheesecake's looking, it's looking good. Nice. Okay, so it's Friday now. New outfit, new face. I slept in my braids, don't judge me. And I didn't get any footage of when I was transferring the cheesecake from the oven into the freezer, but we will see it in the freezer right here. And now it is time to, ooh, yeah, it's got a little crack in the middle. It's time to take this out, take the outer side out, and put it in the fridge so it can defrost. Okay, let's depan this thing. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so stuck a little bit around the edges, but oh my gosh, that looks good. Yay. Now we got it in the fridge to defrost, and then it will be ready to eat. It is time for the cheesecake.
Listen to that crisp sound.
Ooh, it sounds all nice and fluffy. And now Belinda's gonna be my guinea pig and taste it.
I'm the first taster of cheesecake.
Yes.
Cheers. Yeah, that's really good.
I did a good job?
Mm-hmm. It's nice and creamy, and the matzah actually makes a really good crust.
Yeah, I did a good job.
I think it would be really good with like some caramel drizzle or like chocolate on top.
Maybe
but
next
you can
time.
just eat it without it. It's really good.
Mm-hmm. Yay.
All right. Let's see what Arden thinks about her creation.
Oh yeah, it's good.
It's really good.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
Well, thank you for watching my little cheesecake adventure. If you liked this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that YouTube will tell you when I upload new videos. Yeah, new videos every Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Small update, it's Tuesday morning, and this is the last slice of the cheesecake. It was very good, and I want to make it again because I want more cheesecake.